Students, how are you? Welcome to Mahdi English School. Myself, Nilofer Miss, and my subject is Mathematics. And students, this lecture is the class 2. This online lecture is for the class 2. So students, I hope that you are enjoying these videos, this lesson. This chapter is very interesting chapter because no any calculation is come in this chapter, no any sums are there, no any multiplication, addition, multiplication, no any sums like this will come in this chapter. This chapter is totally based with fun, with the shapes and patterns only. There is nothing hard in this chapter. If you just try to understand this chapter, that is very easy for you. Now students, let's start our study. That chapter number 9 is, and the name, you know the name of this chapter very well. It is shapes and patterns. So as you know that we are just taking first topic, which is the shapes. After completing all the things about shapes, we just will move on the patterns, but we have to complete the shapes topic first and then we will move to the patterns. So let's start the revision of the previous lecture as we do every day. As you know also that what we had learned in the previous lecture, we always do revision of that thing in the today's lecture, in the present lecture. So today also we had done the things in the previous lecture, we are going to do in today's lecture. Let's do a short revision of that things first. So if you have any doubt regarding that topics, so it will be a cover here and it will be a solve, your doubt will be solved. So I'll just try to my best that all the things I'll cover. So you don't have any doubt regarding this topic, regarding any topic. I just do my best because you are not there to questioning me and I am not there to answering you. That's why I do my best. So let's start now students. So in the previous lecture, in the past lecture, we had done that exercise 9a and the question number 2 of this we had done in the previous lecture. So today also we have to do revision of it. So if any student have any doubt regarding this, so it will be a solve. So let's do exercise 9a question number 2. So let's read the heading first, which is join the dots. Here is, I'll just show you through the dot. Question 2, and this is the heading. Join the dots using a curved line. Do not use your ruler. What is this heading meaning? That you have to join the dots. Here is 2 dots are there and you have to just join that 2 dots. But here you are not using your scale. Ruler, it means the scale, and ruler is the second name of the scale. Ruler is the second name of scale. So here we are using the free hand to draw these curved lines. We are not using the scale. So I'll show you how to draw these lines. So you have to match, you have to give way to parrot. So it will be a rich to the chili because it's a favorite food of the parrot. Chili is a favorite food of parrot. So here is the picture of parrot and we have to just rich it to the chili. So let's draw the line first here. So now I am just draw the line and I do my best. See this, I draw the line. You can see I am using just free hand. I use through my finger and you have to use through the pencil without scale. I am just repeating this sentence again and again that you are not going to use the scale or ruler. Now the number B, there is a dog and he wants to eat a bone. Dog wants to eat bone, right? So we have to reach the dog to the bone to draw a line, curved lines, and dog will be reached. So let's draw the line without using a scale. So I'll draw now. See this. See this, I'll just complete the lines. The dog will be reached to the bone. You can see this way, you can just try to draw these types of line. You can do the practice of these things. That is very easy, students. So please make try. Now the question number 2 is there, that join the dots using a curved line. Do not use your ruler. It means here also in the C question number, we have to reach this car to the road, so it will run on it. So students, we have to draw a line without a scale with the free hand. So I'll also draw this line here. You can see on your screen. See, I draw it through my fingers, this line, and you also have to make these types of line on the book. If you have textbook, you have, or if you do not have, then I will send the PDF. You can see on the picture that how you can join the dots. Now let's move to the next question, which is exercise 9A, question number 3 we had done right now. So students, let's start this exercise 9A. So before we start question number 3, let's see the topics. And the name of this topic is open shape and closed shape. We already just see the concept. We learned this concept in the previous lecture also, but now we just revise this topic first and then we will move to the next topic. So we'll revise this topic in brief right now. So if there is any doubt regarding this topic, so it will be clear. Now what is the meaning of open and closed shape? We had learned this in the previous lecture, in yesterday's lecture. So here is open and closed shape are there. So first of all, let's read the definition of it, that what is the meaning of an open shape. So here is open shapes have space. You can see here is the open shape and here is the space around and between them. Here is and here is also, and share some importance with the background. So students, whenever you see that some shapes are not complete, it's an incomplete shape. So you can call it an open shape. Here is the thing, you can see this is an incomplete shape, that is not complete, that's an incomplete shape. Now what is the meaning of closed shape? So closed shapes and forms seems solid and heavy. So here you can see this in the closed shape, there is no any way to come out or go in. You can see in the picture, there is no any way to go in or come out. Same, you can compare both the shapes because both the shapes are together. So comparison will be easy for you, that what is the meaning of an open shape and what is the meaning of a closed shape. So here students, you can see that here is an open shape and there is a way, that is an incomplete shape, and here this shape is totally complete and there is no any shapes are missing, no any lines are missing here. Now here the next shape you can see, this is totally incomplete shape and there is a way to go in or come out. But similarly as in the closed shape, you can see this is totally complete shapes. There is no any tiny hole there to go in or come out. This is totally a solid shape. That this is totally a complete shape. Now the next third shape you can see, this is also an incomplete shape. There is a way to go in or come out also. And similarly as in the closed shapes, there is no any way, totally a closed shape. Lines are complete, no any lines are missing in this shape. That's why you can call it a complete shape or closed shape. Then the next one, see here in this shape, here one part is missing of the line. and so that's why you can call it an open shape, incomplete shape. You can see here is a way to go in or come out, but similarly if you compare with the closed shape, so this shape is totally complete. There is no any way to go in or come out, and then in the last shape you can see here is a way to go in or come out. Some lines are missing, totally an incomplete shape. And compared to the closed shape, you can see totally closed shapes are there, no any parts are missing, and this is totally closed shape. So here you can do comparison with each and everything with the open and closed shapes. That is very clear concept. If you just see, you can just get the idea in your mind that this is an open shape or that is an closed shapes regarding this. Now the next one, closed or open path, you can see on the screen. See this in the closed shape with the compare of the open path. Here is the totally closed path. There is no any way or no any lines are missing, totally closed. Compared to the open path, see there is one line is missing. So you can call it an open path here. Now the next one is a triangle. See, triangle has 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. Compared to the open path, this triangle has only 2 lines are there, and the third line is missing. So you can call it the open path, and open path it is. Then here is a circle totally made with the curved lines. Here one part is missing, some lines are missing here, so that's why the circle is come to an open path. See, shapes are same, but open and closed 2 categories are there. You can compare it very well. In the one picture, both the things are there. Closed shapes and open shapes are there. So comparison will be easy for you. Now students, let's move to the next one. Next graph I have for you. See, here is an open shape, same shape, but it's an open shape, and here is the closed shape. See, totally lines are connect to each other, and here the lines are missing. Here the lines are not connect with each other. So you can call it this is an open path here. So I hope that you having idea regarding this open and closed shapes, what is the meaning and how they look, how you can do comparison with each other, that what is the meaning of an open path, open shapes, and what is the meaning of the closed shapes. I hope you get the ideas now. Now I have that comparison chart, comparison worksheet for you, that what is the meaning of an open shape and the closed shapes are there. You can do comparison with each and every shape here. See, you can see here is 3 lines are 1, 2 and 3. 3 lines are there. Here is 4 lines are there. Each and every line connect with each other. Here the one line is not connect with each other, that's why this is an open shape. Here is lines are not connecting with each other. Compared to closed shapes, all the lines are connecting with each other. Here is an open path, all the lines are not connected. Compared to closed, all the lines are connected with each other. In the open path, lines are not connected. Same if you compare with the closed shapes, all the lines are connected with each other. And in the open shapes, the lines are not connected with each other, and in the closed shapes, lines are connected with each other. No any space between them in the background also. So here you can do comparison very well. In the one picture you can do comparison. All the shapes open and closed were there. So it will be easy for you students. Now here, as I told you that lines are not connected with each other. So you can see the things in the open path. See, lines are not connected with each other. So these 2 dots, you can see through the red dot, these 2 dots are not connected with each other. Compared to the closed path, these lines are connected with each other. Totally closed shapes. when you can see these two dots are not connected. In the closed path, every dots are connected, and compared to an open shapes, all the dots are not connected with each other. So we can call it, we can see the difference that what is an open shape or closed shapes very well. Now here is the house, you can see. So students, here the house is, doors are open, and here the doors are closed. So you can just think about it. So when the doors are open, you can just go in or come out, but when the doors are closed, you cannot go in or come out. Understood this thing? So see this is an open shapes. I just put right mark on that open shapes. You can see this door are open, you can go in or come out if door is open, but whenever door is closed, you are not able to go in or come out. That is the main difference in it. Two boxes are there. One box is a closed box or one is an open box. So whenever the box is closed, you are not taking the things or putting in it. You cannot take the things or put anything in it because the box are closed. But if the box are open, you can put the things in it or you can just take the things from it. So this box is an open shape, and whenever the door is open, the house is the open shapes. Now the two cars are there. In this car, the door of the car is open, and here the door of the car is closed. So whenever the door is open of the car, you can just sit in or come out, right? But whenever the door are closed, you cannot come out or go in. So here is the best example for the open and closed things, shapes and paths. So you will be better understood these things. Now, is the given shape open or closed? So if any students having idea regarding this, that is the given shape is a closed or open, which shape it is, you have to give me the answer. So I'll count till the 10 and you have to give me the answer. You have to think which answer will come, and whenever I speak the answer, I say answer to you, I give answer to you. So you will be right, your answer is right if our answer is matched. 10 and only 10. So let me count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is over to think that which answer will come. So let me tick. This is the closed shapes because each and every line is connected with each other. So those students who are giving me the answer that this is the closed shapes, they are right, and those students who are saying that this is the open shape, they are wrong. Now let's move to the next one. I hope you enjoy this. Exercise 9A, question number 3. So we are just discuss about this question only. Now you are able to give me the answer of this question number 3 of the exercise 9A. This is totally based on this open and closed shape. So now we can solve this exercise. So what is the question? Let's read the heading first. Cross the odd one out. What is the question? Cross the odd one out. Here is, you can see in the picture also. So in the number A, here is number A. There is 3 shapes are given in the number A. So we have to decide that which thing is totally odd from this given picture. Two are that in the two shapes some similarities are there, but in the one shape is totally different. No any similarities in these shapes. So have any students can guess, assume that which shape is odd from this given picture? Having any idea? regarding this, that which shape is an open, closed? Any idea is there? See, in number A, that is a totally open shape. Here is the first shape you can see in the picture, this one. You can think about it, this is an open shapes and here is the closed shapes and this is just a slanting line. So which similarities are there, or that odd one out? Which shape we can call the odd one? See this, I'll just give the answer. I hope that you assume your answer, which answer is right. So I'll just give you the answer and after it we'll discuss that why this shape is an odd one. So here is, students, you can see this is just a line, but here in these shapes what similarities are there? That this both shape have curved lines. See this curved lines and here is also a curved lines are there. But this is simple just a line, there is no any curve are there. Totally these shapes are different. This is an open and this is the closed shapes. But curved lines are there in both the shapes. That is the similar thing between these two shapes. But this is just a line. There is no any curved shapes are there. So that's why in the number A, this slanting line is a odd one out. We can just put circle on the just slanting line. In the number B, see this, three shapes are given to us. Now you will be easily understood which shapes is odd. Which shape we can call this is an odd one out. So have you any idea regarding this, that which shape we can call it odd? Here is the answer. See, these two shapes are closed shapes. Here is the closed shape. This one is also the closed shapes and this is an open shape. So that's why this one is a odd one. We can just put circle on it. We are not crossing it because we can't see if we put the cross sign we can see the shape properly. That's why I put the circle. In the number C, see, two slanting lines, two curved lines and two sleeping lines. So have you any idea that which will be odd one? On which on which line I can put the circle, that this is the odd lines are there. So have you decided which line will come? Okay, I'll give you the answer. This is my answer. Why? Because you can see these both are straight lines. The position is slanting but that lines are straight. Same as here at the last. Two lines are straight, no any curved are there but sleeping mode, and this is in slanting position. But in the middle line, that is totally a curved lines, no straight lines are there. So that's why we can just put circle on the curved lines. That's our answer. You have to put circle on these things, and this is your homework also that you have to do. You have to just write down, note down in the rough book and fair book also. I hope you write down all the things which I sent to you in the WhatsApp group. You can just note down all the things in the fair book. Fair book is a very important things, and you must note down all the worksheets which I solve in the lecture. You have to note down the things into the fair book must. Now exercise 9A, question number 4. So let's read the heading that what is in this. Draw and make an odd one out questions of your own. What is the meaning of this question? So in these questions, they are saying that we have to make our own odd one outs. We have to draw the shapes by our own, and we have to find which one is odd one out. We have to draw any of shapes which we like. So I have one worksheet for you. So here is three shapes are given. There is a cube, there is a triangle, there is a square. Three shapes are there. So which one is the odd? Which one is the odd one? So you have to put circle on the odd shape are there. And you have to write down this worksheet also into the fair book. This is very important for you. May this worksheet will come, some questions will come into the exams. Now students, see this, there is a cube shapes are there, triangle and square. Which one is odd? Do you think about it? Why I put circle on the triangle? Having any idea that why I choose the triangle, that this shape is odd? Because this shape have a 4 sides and this square has also a 4 sides, but the triangle has only a 3 sides. That's why the triangle is an odd one out. Do you understood? This both the shapes, this is the square but in 3D, and this is a square but in 2D. This both are square in different dimensional, and this triangle has just 3 sides only. That's why I put circle on the triangle. And the next shape, now you can easily identify which one is the odd one. This is a rectangle and this is a square. This is a semicircle, half circle you can call it. So which one is the odd one? Any idea? I hope you understood which answer will come in this. So I put circle on the right answer. Now there is no explanation need that why I put circle on this shape. Now you all understood, this answer will come only, and this is the right answer. Now the next one, here is the cone shape, then the cube is there and the circle or sphere you can call it. Which one is which shape is an odd? Any idea that why this shape is an odd? My answer is cube. Why this cube is my answer? Because cone has curved line and sphere or circle has curved lines totally, but square has no any curved line are there. That's why my answer is a square. This is an odd one out. So the answer of the question number 4 is this worksheet. You have to write down these 3 questions in the answer of the question number 4. Next I have for you, this is very easy students. See this in the first row, circle, circle, triangle, circle, circle. So which shape is an odd one? So I hope you know this. There is no explanation needed why the triangle is odd one, because the 4 shapes are circle and one is only a triangle. Then the next one, rectangle, 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 rectangle and rectangle. But see, this rectangle is small in size. So with the help of size, in the comparison of size, this one is an odd one, because all these rectangles are same size, this one is a different. So that's why this rectangle is an odd one. Next one, here is the square, 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 square and rectangle. So which one is an odd? Here that rectangle is an odd one. Then here is star, 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 star and star. This all are stars, but that is filled with color. That's why this star is an odd one. All the stars are empty without any color, but this star is grey in color. That's why this star is an odd one. Next one, the circles are there. Circle, 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 circle and circle. But here some parts are missing. So this circle is an open shape. All the circles are closed, but this circle is an open, so that's why that circle is an open shape and that one is an odd one. Next one, at the last one, which one is an odd one? All the have square and circle in it, but in the second one square and square in it. That one is an odd one. So students, I hope you enjoy this worksheet. Thank you so much students for watching this video. Write down all the worksheets in the fact book and wait for my next video. So till this, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye bye students.